Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice. This will be a 20-minute guided journey into deep relaxation and to reset the nervous system. This session is designed to help you step away from the day, calm your mind, and allow your body to enter a state of profound rest. As you settle in, give yourself permission to fully receive this time for yourself. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be, simply resting in awareness. Find a comfortable position lying down. Use any supports, pillows, a blanket, or an eye covering to ensure complete relaxation. Let your arms rest by your sides, palm facing upward. Settle into your body. Allow it to become heavy. And we'll begin with a few cleansing breaths. Take a deep inhale through the nose and hold it at the top for a moment, and sighing it out on your exhale. Let your body become heavier and heavier as you exhale. Take another deep breath in, filling the belly and the lungs completely, holding it for a moment and letting it go. Becoming more heavy and relaxed, letting go fully. One more time, a deep breath in through the nose, holding it for a moment before releasing it slowly and melting into the surface beneath you. Allow the breath to settle into a natural rhythm. As you rest here, start to relax the jaw. Feel the heaviness of your eyelids. Feel the weight of your legs. Feel the temperature of the air on your skin. Feel the feeling of the fabric beneath you and the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Completely relax here. Let your awareness draw inward and leave behind anything that will not serve you in this practice. We'll introduce our Sankalpa, or an intention for this practice. You may choose to work with the affirmation, I give myself permission to rest fully. I give myself permission to rest fully. Silently repeat it to yourself 3 times, feeling its presence settle deep into your subconscious. I give myself permission to rest fully. Now, gently shift your awareness to different parts of your body. As I guide you, simply notice each area without moving it, only sensing its presence as we bring full relaxation to every part of your being. Bring awareness to your tongue, the tip of the tongue, all the way to the root. Feel the teeth and gums, the roof of the mouth, the inside of the cheeks, the lower lip, the upper lip, and the flow of air inside the nostrils, your nose, the right eye, the space behind the eye, the left eye, and the space behind the eye, and all the tiny muscles surrounding both eyes. The right ear listening, the left ear listening. A sense of the whole face, the back of the head. Now bring awareness to your right hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, pinky finger, the palm of the right hand, the back of the hand, the wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, the whole right arm, the right side of the chest, the rib cage, the waist, the right hip, front of the right thigh, back of the thigh, the knee, the calf, the shin, the ankle, the sole of the right foot, the top of the right foot, the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, all 5 toes, the entire foot, the entire leg, the entire right side of the body. Now bring awareness to your left hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, pinky finger, the palm of the left hand, the back of the hand, the wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, the whole left arm, the left side of the chest, the rib cage, the waist, the left hip, the front of the left thigh, back of the thigh, the knee, the calf, the shin, the ankle, the sole of the left foot, the top of the foot, the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, all 5 toes, the entire foot, the entire leg, the entire left side of the body. Now sensing both the left and the right arms, both legs, the entire front of the body, the entire back of the body, the whole body. Bring your awareness to your breath. No need to change anything, just observing. Feel the gentle rise of the belly as you inhale, and its soft fall as you exhale. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation, the body becoming heavier, the mind quieter. Now, can you bring awareness to your inner world, the blank space where imagination begins, the space of your deep intuition? Picture yourself on a tranquil beach, the soft sand warm beneath you. The ocean stretches endlessly before you, and its gentle waves lapping at the shore in a soothing rhythm. A warm breeze moves across your skin, and above you, the golden sun shines in the vast open sky. As you take a deep breath in, visualize a soft, white light radiating from the sun, filling the space with warmth and peace. This light begins to descend, touching the crown of your head. With each breath, it begins to descend gently down the body. The warm light flows down your forehead, softening your eyes, relaxing your jaw. It moves down through your neck and shoulders, releasing any tightness. The warmth spreads through your arms, flowing into your hands, completely filling your upper body with ease. With every exhale, you surrender a little more, allowing this soothing light to flow through your chest and your belly, calming your entire nervous system, bringing balance to your entire being. Now the light moves down through your hips, down through your thighs, the knees, and lower legs, until it reaches the soles of your feet, connecting you and grounding you deep into the earth. Your entire body is now bathed in this golden glow, resting, healing, and completely at ease. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be. Simply rest in this warmth. Allowing your body to go through a complete reset. Your mind is quiet, and your breath flows effortlessly. Remain here for a few more moments, completely absorbing this deep sense of peace. recall back to the intention or Sankalpa you set at the beginning of this practice. Silently repeat your Sankalpa to yourself with clarity and conviction. Silently affirm to yourself, I give myself permission to rest fully. Allow these words to settle deep within you as a promise to honor your need for restoration. Trust that your body knows how to relax, how to reset, and how to return to balance. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be, only this moment of deep rest. Remain here in this state of deep relaxation, letting your Sankalpa take root. Now begin to bring awareness back to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. No need to change anything. Just noticing the gentle movement of breath within you. Begin to sense the space around you once again, the subtle sounds within the room, the temperature of the air on your skin, the feeling of the ground supporting your body. Gently bring your awareness back to your physical form. Feel the weight of your body resting and noticing any sensations present. perhaps a feeling of lightness, warmth, or calmness. Without rushing, invite small movements into your fingers and toes. If it feels good, take a deep, nourishing inhale and a long, effortless exhale. When you're ready, let your knees bend slightly and sway them from side to side. You might want to stretch your arms overhead and lengthen through your entire body as if waking up from a restful sleep. There is no rush. Take your time here and rest in this space for as long as you need. Embrace the stillness before gently transitioning back to full waking awareness. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Namaste.